If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe by pressing subscribe icon. Also press the bell icon for the notification. You will get notification for my upcoming videos. Hello friends, in today's video I will share all the checkpoint for the voltages in inverter air conditioner. Hope this will help you in finding the defects in inverter split air conditioners. So first of all, we have to check whether the LED in the ODU PCB is blinking or not. If it is blinking, red LED is blinking, it means the PCB is okay and there is no fault in the PCB. But if further we have to check, then we have to check whether this green LED is blinking or not, if any defect will be there, and in case of any defect this green LED will start blinking, and this we can refer with the chart given in the PCB cover or error code chart. Now we have to check AC input voltage to the PCB, and in the neutral and line point we have to check the line voltage. If it is available, it means the input voltage is available at the PCB. Then we have to check the transformer. For checking the transformer, we have to check the AC voltage at transformer input points as shown here. So we will check if the line voltage is available, it means transformer is getting AC voltage. For the output from the transformer, we have to check the output point of the transformer, and between these points we have to check the DC voltage, and if it is available between 310 to 340 volts DC, it means the transformer is working okay and it is giving voltage to the rectifier. Then we have to check the filter capacitor. There are 3 filter capacitor available in the PCBs, and this is for U, V and W to giving the DC supply, filtered supply. So we have to check the DC voltage between capacitor negative and positive point, and we have to check in all the 3 capacitors. Then we have to check the output for the compressor. So for the compressor we have U, V and W, and in these points we have to check the DC voltage, and we can also check the AC voltage. But for checking the DC voltage we have to place one probe of clamp meter to capacitor negative point, and one is on the U point, then V point and then W, and in all the 3 we will get the same DC voltage. It will be around 150 to 160 volt. Then we can also measure the AC voltage. For checking the AC voltage we have to place one probe to the neutral and other probe to the U, V and W, and we will get the same voltage here. So in this manner we can check all the points at the PCB. For checking the fan motor, we have to check the voltage between neutral and high, medium and low speed, and if the line voltage, AC voltage will be available, then the PCB is giving output to the fan motor. In this way, all these points, if we will check, we will find out whether the PCB is okay or any defect is there. So you have seen all the checkpoints where we can check the voltages Hope this video will help you in finding the defect. Thank you very much.